In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quizzes using Canvas, both with the classic and the new format, in just 5 minutes. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll need to click on the Design nor Element section. This is where all the magic happens, and it's your first step toward creating engaging quizzes. You'll find the Elements tab typically located on the left side of the screen within the Canvas interface. It's a treasure trove of resources that allows for creativity and customization in your quizzes, so take a moment to explore the options available. Once you're in the Elements section, click on Polls and Quizzes. This is a specialized area designed to facilitate the creation of assessments in a smooth and effective manner. Here, you'll have access to a variety of quiz types and poll options that you can use to gauge the understanding and engagement of your audience, whether they are students, team members, or an audience for an online course. After clicking Polls and Quizzes, the next step is to select the template that best fits your needs. Canvas offers a range of templates, each tailored to different types of quizzes and assessments. Whether you're looking to create a quick multiple choice test or something more complex, there's a template for that. Choosing the right template saves time and helps guide your focus, so pick one that aligns with your goals. Now, click on Edit. This is where you begin personalizing your quiz. The editable fields will allow you to customize questions and options to make the assessment truly yours. Next, you'll want to change the header question. This is your opportunity to pose an engaging question and set the tone for your quiz. For example, you might enter a simple question like, "What is 2 plus 2?" To start, a clear header question guides your participants and creates a seamless flow for your quiz takers. After setting your header question, add the quiz options. These options will be the possible answers for participants to choose from. A good practice is to offer a mix of plausible, correct, and incorrect options to effectively test knowledge. Make sure your options are clear and relevant to the question to maintain focus and engagement. Once your options are set, click the 3 dots you see on the interface. These dots open a menu of additional actions and settings, bringing you closer to finalizing your quiz. Finally, select Mark as correct for the right answer. This helps Canvas automatically grade the quiz, providing an efficient way to assess responses. Marking the correct answer ensures participants receive immediate feedback on their performance. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a quiz in Canvas, ready to engage your audience. Follow these steps the next time you need to create a quiz quickly and effectively for a seamless assessment experience. Happy quizzing!